This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start now, verify your Thinkpad dock model and firmware compatibility with your Mac, because some docks need firmware updates to expose all ports. Next, plug the dock into its power adapter and confirm the power LED is on. A low power state can block device enumeration. Then connect the dock to your Mac using the Thunderbolt 3/USB-C cable. Make sure you use a Thunderbolt-rated cable for video and data. Once connected, wait 5 to 10 seconds for Mac OS to recognize external devices and displays. Once the dock is physically linked, configure displays and peripherals. Connect your monitor S to the dock's display port, HDMI, or USB-C outputs. Note that some docks support only one high-resolution screen or multiple lower-resolution screens. Attach your keyboard, mouse, Ethernet cable, and USB storage devices to the dock ports so everything routes through one connection. Then open Mac OS system settings. Choose displays to arrange screens and set resolutions, sound to pick audio output, and network to prioritize Ethernet. Make sure to finish by ensuring system stability. Update Mac OS and install any dock firmware or driver updates from Lenovo when available, because compatibility problems are often resolved with firmware. If a device is missing, restart your Mac and replug the Thunderbolt cable. You can also reset NVRAM or the SMC on Intel Macs. If problems persist, swap cables and ports to isolate the faulty component and try a different Thunderbolt cable. A common troubleshooting tip: check remote power or firmware mismatches first, since they cause most multi-device failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.